Building unity and community. Requires civility, humility, and charity. Respect for humanity, unequivocally, more clarity. Less hate, more love, more levity. Less apathy, more compassion, more empathy. Less polarity, more equity, more opportunity. Cooperating, collaborating, cultivating synergy. Creating harmony, living interdependently. Living large, living civilly. Building unity in your community. Requires ingenuity, diplomacy, and maturity. Respect for history, democracy, more veracity. Less talk, more listening, more implicitly. Less blindness, more kindness, more instinctively. Less animosity, more benevolence, more generosity. Speak kindly and respectfully, avoid obscenity and profanity. In your pursuit of happiness, life, and liberty. Live your life with integrity and civility.